Okay, so you get that smaller intensified processes generate geographic and facility options that can transform your manufacturing strategy and business decisions. The question becomes, what does it take to get to an intensified upstream process? How much capital investment is required? How do I access the technical expertise, and how long is it going to take? Well, here's some good news. The newest generation of XL ATF technology makes intensification so easy, you'll want to intensify every process. The XL ATF Lab Controller delivers consistent linear flow rates with increasing cell density, meaning your process development and full-scale manufacturing will be robust. Integrated flow and pressure sensors provide more process data than ever, and modern tablet-based software makes data easy to analyze. You can take a legacy commercial process to an XL ATF intensified process with only a few development experiments. But here's the thing. The pumps, filters, software, and sensors are just half the story. A global technical staff that has completed hundreds of intensification projects partners with you every step of the way to ensure your success, from installation and scale-up to downstream integration and GMP validation.